So let me open this and show you what it is. Show you what it is. Dun, 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 dun. You get an idea card, of course, right? We always do that. But please, please use your phone to click that, because it's going to take you to an idea gallery that has all the ideas I'm going to show you now and on HSN and more, right? And more. So you are getting alphabet stickers. Now, in my life, I have a lot of double letters. So my daughter's name is Kirsten. She has 2 I's. My grandson's Miller. He has 2 L's. Bernard has 2 A's. It's always like, seriously, I feel like every, and it's, I think that's, oh, my mom's name has 2 L's. It's like, it just keeps building and building and building. So I don't give you I don't give you just one. And a lot of times I don't give you 2. I give you 3. So like some letters, I do only give you 2, but like Q, sorry, you only got 1. It is what it is, right? But R's, 4 S's, 4 T's, 4 I's, 2 H's. I got everything in here. X, V, X, Y, Y, Z. I give you 2 Y's because happy birthday, you're going to need 2 Y's, right? But for happy, you need 2 P's. So there's our 2 P's, right? So now let's look. Wait, green. Ooh, purple. But wait, there's more. There's blue, and then there's dark pink, and then there's light pink, and let's not forget beautiful yellow. Now, these stickers are smaller than the dies that you probably purchased, but let me show you. These are not paper stickers, okay? These are, you know I like cardstock, right? Listen, can you hear it on my microphone? That's me flicking it like this. That's the cardstock in it. Now, but wait, there's more, because this is awesome. This is great. But wouldn't it be amazing to have a shadow sticker that goes with it? So then we added a shadow sticker to go with it. So now I have my A with a shadow background. Isn't that awesome? Now, there's how many whites are there? There's 1, 2, 3. There's a lot. I don't even know how many stickers there are. 4, 5, 6. 6 sets of the white. So you are going to have a ton of letters. Now, let me show you what this looks like in real life. So here we go. Now, I only have a couple samples because rest assured I have a ton to take on the air. So look at how cute this is. I love this. Spring. Isn't that beautiful? This is a 5x7 card base. Look how well it fits on a 5x7 card base. Here is an A2 card base. I'm actually taking this egg on the air. It's from last year, but they wanted me to take it on the air again because everybody loves it. And it matches these letters freakishly perfect. Now, that is not an accident, you guys. Everything is designed to work together. So this fun flower cutout is similar to the flower cutout in those letters. Here's another sample of a 5x7. So sweet. Those of you in our stamp club have this set already. This is a 5x7 card base. Love you. Look how awesome that is. Now, this is also the stencil, the heart stencil that's in the kit that I already showed you. Here's another one. This is one I took on the air in January, but look how cute it is. It is the crisscross. You, me. Today we celebrate the best decision you ever made. That's an anniversary stamp from our website. But look how cute that is. And look at those stickers. They're perfect on this. So that is, oh, that's such a cute card. And the cool thing is it stands. It's on hsn.com. So that is the stickers. And you know what? Tonight I'm going to make Kenny count all the stickers, okay? He's going to have to figure it out.
Just guess a lot.
No, it's a lot. It's a lot. 2, 4. I can't even do it. I'm not going to do it. You guys will like laugh at me and how much I'm counting. Calculator. Yes. Oh, Jill already got a purple fabric box. You're a smarty pants. Hi, Pamela. Welcome. I'm glad you're here. So this is the Groovy Floral sticker set. Item number 920924. Tons of examples when you click this little button, but you can't go wrong with sticker letters, right? And they're cardstock sticker letters. They are thicker. They're higher quality. They're not going to tear. These are like, look at that. Look at that. That is like serious, right? That is serious. It is not going anywhere, which is really nice. So it's nice and thick. So that is our sticker letters, our floral sticker letters. I'm really excited. about the sticker letters because this is the first time I've brought stickers like this to HSN to anybody. I haven't done stickers like this for Stamps of Life, and I always like to test the waters. Like everybody loved the 8.5 by 11 paper pad I did last January at HSN. Trust me, more are coming because it's just way too awesome. But now I'm checking out these alphabet stickers, and I'm hoping you're going to love them as much as I do, so we can do more.